Hello, what is up guys? Eman from Peso Smart Page here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, let's talk about the crypto market. So, nasa coin market cap tayo. And yung global crypto market cap is currently at 1.62 trillion US dollars. So, nag-over siya around negative 3.6% na decrease over the last 24 hours. And then, yung Fear and Greed Index is currently at 56. So, magandang indicator din to na gamitin kapag gusto nyo mag-deploy ng capital sa cryptoverse. So, ideally, kung magda-dollar cost average lang kayo, you can stick to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and probably some mid-cap na fund kayo ng project. So, you have to always check for the fundamentals. And then, another helpful one is itong bull market support band, which simply is the 20-week SMA, simple moving average, and then 21-week EMA, which is exponential moving average. So, laging indicator din naman to. Although, if you check, like for example, from 2022, if we're trading below this, it's relatively a good time to buy or deploy more capital. So, kita natin dito ma-isolate yung November to around first week of January 2023. Kasi ito yung time na nag-collapse yung FTX. So, the whole FTX fiasco happened during this period. And after that, medyo nag-pump na siya. And now hold natin as support itong bull market support band. Then nag-dip lang ulit nitong start ng August, week ng August 14, 2023. So nag-trade, nag-bottom, local bottom at around 24,900. Then after that, bumulusok na ulit pataas. And currently, we are way above the bull market support band. And nagtitrade ng 41,340 yung Bitcoin. If you check Ethereum, same thing din naman. Pwede nyo rin gamitin tong bull market support band if you're buying or trading itong Ethereum. So pagka nag-trade tayo below, essentially, it is a good time to buy. And pagka nag-trade naman tayo sa taas, then you can offload some of your assets or you can sell them. And reminder lang, this is gonna be helpful if nagdi-DCA lang kayo into the market and nagdi-DCA din kayo out of the market. So again, if below, then you can DCA into the market. Pag above naman tayo, you can DCA out of the market. And then yung trades nyo is hindi rin daily. Kasi kita nyo dito, nasa weekly tayo. Weekly time frame. And then work lang tong bull market support band kapag ka nasa weekly time frame tayo. And magagamit nyo siya if mas long term yung inyong outlook sa market. So this is not necessarily very useful if you're looking to be a day trader. So you can probably say na swing trader ka or sentiment trader. So again, this is a very useful tool and very simple tool if you're trying to trade cryptocurrencies. Hopefully this video helped and I'll see you all in the next one. Always remember, be Peso Smart.